Do you know how to make the perfect crispy chicken better than any restaurant ever? Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite elegant chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your crispy chicken without stress. Let's get right into it. These are the ingredients we'll need. This is our soft chicken, ginger and garlic powder, that's our grated pepper, that's our grated onion, that's our paprika, flour mixed with a little bit of cornflakes, then that's our seasoning for our chicken, and also our egg and our yogurt. Feel free to use any yogurt of your choice, and these are all the ingredients you need. So we're just going to add our ginger and garlic powder inside our chicken, then our grated pepper according to the quantity you want, grated onion, paprika, then our chicken seasoning. After we've added all our ingredients and spice to our chicken, then we're just going to mix together and allow it to incorporate. Feel free to adjust the taste of your spice depending on how you want it. So we're just going to mix this together until it is well and properly combined together. Like, we have to mix this properly. After mixing this together, then we're just going to add our yogurt to it. Look at the quantity I added, it's a lot. So I'm just going to allow it to sit. I'm just going to allow it sit properly inside my chicken. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it sit inside the refrigerator for 5 to 7 hours. And after that, I'm just going to bring them out, and this is what we have. So I broke my egg in a bowl, then brought out some flour mixed with cornflakes, and this is going to help us in order for us to get our crunchy texture. So in a pot, your pot has to be deep, and also you need to add a lot of oil because we're trying to deep fry it. So we're just going to get your chicken and we're just going to mix it inside the flour and also mix it inside the egg, and then we're going to mix it inside the flour again, and we're just going to add it inside our hot oil just like this, and then we're just going to do it again for you to see. Pick your chicken, mix it inside the flour, then mix it inside the egg, back to the flour, inside the pot. Then after few minutes, this is how it looks like, and I will advise you while frying this, first off, make sure your oil is very hot before you add your chicken inside. But the moment you add your chicken inside, I will always advise you to reduce it to a low heat so it can get cooked properly. If your fire is too hot, your chicken is not going to get cooked. So make sure your oil is hot, and then you just add your chicken and then you reduce it to a low heat. And this took between 7 to 10 minutes on a low heat for it to get cooked properly. and then I brought it out, and time for us to serve, and this is what we have. By the way, I served this with my barbecue sauce. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch my other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.